Here's a quick unboxing. I should have had this item on my, see my hairy legs. I should have had this item by Saturday. I couldn't get it together to pick it up, so, or was it Saturday or Sunday? By the time I got to the post office it was shut. So, vintage item. Yeah, great. So it's the vintage Mego 1979 Buck Rogers figure, graded 80. It's pretty good. So yeah, got this. Picked this up just now on the bike over there. It gets into focus. Does it want to focus now? Oh, I can't focus on the bike. I can focus on the figure. So it's stuck. But UKG 80, figure 80, paint 80, 1979 Mego, Hong Kong, Buck Rogers, O-ring figure. I'll do a better review on the weekend. Very much like a G.I. Joe or Black Hole figures. Buck Rogers from the TV show, pretty nice. Okay, so I just picked that up. But cheers, goodbye. You can't get the bike in focus, that's amazing. But that's what I just picked up. Right, cheers, goodbye.